Some people seem to grow their wealth without even trying. They take vacations while their bank balance grows. They sleep and still earn. They never talk about hustle, but they quietly win. So what's their secret? It's not luck, it's not inheritance. And it's definitely not some flashy crypto gamble. It all comes down to one hidden financial habit, a habit that works quietly in the background. Why building wealth month after month on complete autopilot? And the craziest part, almost no one is using it. Let's dive in. The wealth trick that hides in plain sight. We're taught to focus on income. Get a better job. Earn more. Climb the ladder. But the rich? They focus on flow instead of constantly chasing dollars. They create systems that capture, direct, and multiply every dollar that comes in. The secret habit? It's called automated financial stacking, a system that turns your regular money habits into long-term wealth, without you needing to think about it every day. Here's how it works, in 3 simple moves. Step 1. The 10% rule, but upgraded. Everyone talks about saving 10% of your income. But this version flips the script. Instead of saving 10%, you automatically invest it the moment your paycheck hits. Set up an auto transfer to a diversified index fund or high-yield investment. No decision fatigue. No second guessing. The rich don't wait to invest what's left over. They invest first and spend what's left. Step 2. Turn bills into wealth builders. You pay bills every month. But what if those bills built your future? Use rewards-based cards, cashback platforms, or financial apps like Cred.ai, Rakuten, or Honeygame to earn while you spend. Then, auto-invest the rewards. $50 here, $30 there. It adds up faster than you think. Step 3. Set a money multiplier in motion. Every time your income increases even slightly, you don't upgrade your lifestyle, you upgrade your wealth system. Here's how: get a raise. Boost your automatic investment by 20% of that raise. Finish a freelance gig. Drop 15% into your side portfolio. Tax refund? Automate half into a compound interest account. Over time, your money system evolves without you needing to work on it. That's how the quiet rich do it. Why this works even if you're not rich? You might be thinking, I'm barely saving anything right now, how is this supposed to help me? That's the point. This isn't about having thousands to throw into stocks. It's about setting up tiny money habits that scale automatically as your income grows. Whether you make $500 a week or $5,000, this system scales with you, silently. And over time, the snowball becomes unstoppable. Most people never do this. Here's why this habit is boring. It's not flashy. It doesn't go viral on TikTok. It requires zero flexing and no screenshots of 7-figure crypto wallets. But the irony: this is the exact kind of strategy used by people who retire in their 30s and never stress over their next paycheck. It's invisible success. And most people miss it because they're chasing what's loud. The power of invisible money moves. We live in a world where noise gets attention but systems build empires. This hidden habit is like planting a money tree in the background. You water it once and it keeps growing while you sleep. And when the economy crashes, when jobs are unstable, when the markets shift, this system still pays. It doesn't care about trends. It's not tied to hype. It just works because discipline beats drama. Final thought. What if you just set it up once? What if you took 30 minutes this week to set up one automatic investment account, one cashback tool that redirects rewards, one income rule that upgrades your wealth stack as you grow? You'd never have to budget again. You'd never need to stress over where your money went. You just check your account a few months from now and smile because your money system was quietly doing all the work, without stress, without risk, and without hype. If this opened your eyes, like, comment below, Silent Wealth wins, and hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. This channel is where invisible money moves turn into unstoppable results.